What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and it's currently 20 degrees outside, and I'm freezing my balls off to make this damn RC video. If you guys have any valuable reason to like the winter and not absolutely hate it, please let me know in the comment section down below. Everything dies, everything's cold, my balls freeze. It's not good, man. Ugh. Anyways, on to the point of today's video. We're gonna be testing the most expensive RC, Walmart RC. Oh my god, the blizzard of the century is coming my way, and I'm here making a freaking RC video. You gotta love this crap. You guys are gonna have to pardon the wind noise. The most expensive Walmart RC that you can purchase today versus the cheapest entry-level hobby grade RC rock crawler you can get today. We're gonna be putting these trucks through a series of grueling tests so you guys can see firsthand how a $100 RC compares to a $180 RC. So this is the best that money can buy as far as RC rock crawlers, Walmart RC rock crawlers, and that is the Jeep Wrangler Trailcat, $109 with tax, versus this Remo hobby, which is aka a knockoff Axial Honcho. Again, like I said earlier, $180. Now we're actually gonna look under the hood of this fake Axial Honcho. Again, this is a Remo hobby, but if you look at it closely, it's pretty much an Axial Honcho knockoff. And you guys are gonna see that for $180, just how shocking, how much actual cool crap you get in this cheap Chinese crawler. All right, so for starters, we got fully independent rear and front suspension. I've been putting this thing through the mud, so give me a sec. Fully independent front and rear suspension with oil-filled shocks all the way around, as you guys can see. We also have a full metal frame. We got full suspension articulation. Check that out. A freaking fully functional tow hitch, a spare tire, and a fully functional toolbox located on the rear of the bed. And now taking a look at the $100 Walmart RC rock crawler, you got fully independent front and rear suspension, and you also have some articulation, and that's about it. And now we're gonna take a quick look at the remote for both. For the Remo hobby crawler, you get throttle and steering adjusters, steering and speed sensitivity controls. They even include a button for if you have light bars, you can activate your light bar through your controller. Now, the Walmart Jeep, on the other hand, this controller just goes forward, backwards, and left and right, and that's about it. All right, guys, now join me while we put these two crawlers through the ultimate test and see once and for all if it's worth just saving up an extra $80 and getting yourself a cheap entry-level hobby crawler, or spending $100 freaking on this really cool and massive Jeep Trailcat. But as you guys will soon see, it doesn't fare so well. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to spoil it. Let's get to the test. Here we go. My hands are going. Oh god, I'm getting frostbite. Oh god. All right, guys, and now for the speed test. Which one of these cheap crawlers will go the fastest? Well, there's only one way to find out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And now we find ourselves at a giant mud pit slash gravel, whatever the hell this is, guys. But this brings us on to our next test, and that is the mud test. untangle the stupid fucking thing. And now for the ultimate arch nemesis test of any RC, no matter how capable they are, the long grass test. Clark, get ready to go. Go, go. There. And now I saved the best for last. We're gonna put these rock crawlers and we're gonna test them for exactly what they were meant to do. Rock crawl. We're gonna start with a simple course. All they gotta do is get past this little path right here, and then we can move on to actual rock crawling. I have a feeling only one of these will probably make it through that path. Let's find out.
I don't stop it.
All right. All right, Clark, put it in the middle. And I saved the best for last. Since these are both sold as rock crawlers, let's put their rock crawling abilities to the test. And what better way to do it than literal rocks to crawl? The first to make it to that area there is the winner, even though we already know there's a clear winner. And there you guys have it. A nice little comparison between the most expensive Walmart has to offer and the cheapest entry-level RC on the market now. If you were to ask me, I'd tell you, hey, save up another $80, avoid the lines and people of Walmart, and order yourself a Remo Hobby RC rock crawler. Hands down, the best and most capable cheap hobby grade crawler on the market today.